Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I've been getting a lot of questions lately on what I use to stream, how I make it work, and generally what am I doing. Now, there are a lot of good programs and hardware out there to help you stream, but today what we're going to be talking about is OBS. Now, OBS might not be the best one out there, or the most technical or anything like that, but what it is free. And if you know me, free is my favorite price. So I'm going to show you my settings and how I make it work. I'm also going to go over how to make your YouTube chat actually show up in your video. So why don't we get right on into it. Alright, so first off, ignore all this stuff over here to the left. And how about that little window effect we got going on, huh? That trippy or what? Do your best to ignore it. So first off, we're going to go into settings. Now, general, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, automatically check for setup, enable, snap. I didn't touch any of this stuff. Stream. The type of streaming you want to do, service, YouTube gaming. There's a few other, but this is specifically for YouTube, so that's what we're going to go with. Now down here, where it says stream key, where do you get that? Well, you're going to open up your YouTube page, go to live streaming, stream now, and down here, that's going to be your stream key. Now make sure to never tell anybody what it is, because as soon as they know your password, then they're streaming your stuff or streaming on your channel. And I guarantee you, you don't want that. But right there, hit reveal, you get your code. Select it, cut and paste it, right there. Done. Alright, next up, you got output. When you fire up OBS, it's going to come as simple, with all this like this. Well, that didn't work for me. So I went to advanced. I set up the encoder to NVENCHI. Did I pronounce that right? Probably not. Rescale output, just set to whatever resolution you use. I use 16 by 900 on my computer. Rate control, VBR. Bitrate at 5000. Preset, I go with low latency, high quality. Again, I got a really decent computer. I could go high performance and keep that low latency, and that would just mean it will run better, but it won't look as sharp. And these settings, based on how your computer is, you can play around with them, see what works best for you. Like I said, for me, low latency, high quality. And then the rest, main, level, auto. I don't know what any of that stuff means, so I didn't touch it. Recording, I want it to come out as MOV format. When I first started using it, I think it was FLV, and that means when I opened up my video capture folder, I couldn't play it back. So I set for MOV. You do what you want to do. Encoder, I got it set for use stream encoder. Audio, I didn't really touch audio. I left that as is. But these are my settings. So, alright, so resolution, that's basically what I got my computer set to. And to me, that gives it the best quality. For you, you could try, if your computer's not so great, try lowering the resolution, and then also in the output, trying to lower the high performance, low latency, go to that one. Hotkeys, I don't really mess around with. In advance, and this is basically how I got it all set up. What you're really going to want to mess around with, though, is your output. And the higher your resolution, I believe the higher the quality of the video. And And again, low latency, high quality. I'm repeating myself here, but it should be noted. Alright, so part 2 of the video. Say I wanted to play a game, and I got Starbound open right now. As you can see, shoot through the center of the screen. How do I make it work? Well, first off, it needs to be in window mode. Maybe someone somewhere out there could get it working where it's not in window mode, where you get the full screen. I cannot get it work. I've never gotten it to work window mode, and I've had no issues since. So we're going to go over to Starbound. Alright, so right now you can see I got Starbound set up in a really nice, good looking box, right? And it took me forever to figure out how to get this set up correctly. This is what you're going to do. So you got the game open, right? And that's what it looks like. That's what it's going to look like on OBS. It's only going to take up maybe half the screen. So what you're going to want to do is play around with the resolution size. And keep going back here and refitting the box. Go back to the game, shrink it down. See right there, I made it too big. So let's bring it up a little bit. Now it's too small. Right about there. It's not perfect, but we're getting there. A little off to the side and just a smidger down, and again you just play with it. Try to get it to fit just enough, and right there. It looks good to me. Alright, so next up, how do you get the chat bubble? And that's really easy. As you can see right there, I got one named chat. So alright, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to hit this little plus sign here, and you're going to want to hit browser source. Open that up, add a channel. I'm just going to create a new. I'm going to call it chat3, CTT3. So then you get this little pop-up, and right now this does absolutely nothing for you. So you're going to go over back to your YouTube page, and right here you got these 3 little dots. You're going to click it, and you're going to click pop out chat. See at the top here you got this URL. Take that, copy it, and paste that right there. Wonderful. We're on Easy Street now, right? Not quite. Alright, so what I like in my videos is I like this to be transparent. I think it looks a lot cleaner. So you're going to reopen that and see where you got the CSS. And don't worry, I'm going to link this code into the description. I didn't write it. So if you wrote it or you know who did, please let me know and I'll make sure to give you credit. I'm all about giving credit to where it's due. I just happen to find it on a web page, so you can hit OK, and now see that's invisible. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our YouTube page. We're going to type hi YouTube, and you see right there pops up hi YouTube, and it's clean, it's clear, looks great, and you can mess with it from there. So if we reopen this one up, say I want it to be a width 200, height 400. Well, now changes the actual size of that. So again, that's something you could play with, find out what works for you. Personally, I like going with 400 by 200. I think, again, me personally, that gives it the best kind of look, and make it right about that size or so. Stick it down in a corner, and I'm still experimenting which corner I feel looks best, but yeah. So that's basically it. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm no expert. I'm still learning how to use this software. So if you know something, or if I missed something, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Alright, well, I hope this video helped you out some, even if it is just a little bit. And if so, let me know. And if for whatever reason you're completely lost, again, let me know, and I'll be sure to respond and help you get where you need to go. Alright, well, until next time, have yourself a wonderful day and take care. Alright, bye.